Hi kids, good morning. How are you all? Yes, I know that you all are happy, fine and safe at home. Do not play outside, stay home and stay safe. Very good children you all are. Yes, you all would have been wondered that what is the topic that we are going to learn today? The topic that we are going to learn today is all about tracing the phonic sound and the letter A. Very good. Can you all able to see the letter? What is that? It's A. Yes, I'm the letter A. Hi kids. How are you all? I'm the letter A. The phonic sound of the letter is A. The phonic sound of the letter is A. And I'm called as the uppercase A. Yes, I'm called as the uppercase A. The letter A sounds A. The letter A sounds A. And I'm the letter lowercase a. Yes, I'm also the letter A. What is the phonic sound of the letter A? It's A. The phonic sound of the letter A? It's A. Yes. So I'm called the lowercase a. A curve and a standing line makes me as A. The lowercase a. Can you all able to see the letter on your visual? Yes, it's an uppercase A, a lowercase a. So, you all would have been practiced the basic patterns which was shown in yesterday's video. Yes, so we can use those basic patterns like slanting lines and sleeping lines and can start writing A. The A sounds A. The letter A sounds A. Very good children. Every day we enjoy reciting rhymes, right? Yes. On doing the same, shall we all try reciting a rhyme on the phonic sound A? Yes. The letter that we have learned today is A. And the phonic sound of the letter A sounds A. Now today we are going to recite a rhyme only on the phonic sound A. Shall we all? Yes. I know that you all would have been enjoyed ready now. Come on kids. Come on kids. Let us all sing together the rhyme now. And yes, this is the letter A. And A sounds A. And the letter A sounds A. Very good children. You all have got to the phonic sound of the letter? Yes, that was wondering. Shall we all recite back the rhyme once again as you all wish? Shall we all? Come on, let us all recite back the rhyme once again. Yes? Come on kids. Join together and sing the rhyme back. Sing together. Come on kids.
So my arm they cruising me along.
You always seeing, right? A boy in the video. What happened to him? The ant bite on his arm. Where? The ant bite on his arm. Oh my god. If an ant bites you, how do you all alarm ahead? How do you all alarm? Yes, the ant bites and the boy is making sound on that. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. Ah, ah, ants on my arm. It's causing me alarm. Yes. Yay! You all have done a very good job. Superb, kids. Keep rocking on the same. Come on, you all have now learned the phonic sound, and you all by this time would have identified the letter A. Identified the letter A. Yes, you all have identified now the letter A. Now, ma'am is going to share you all a drawing. How to draw A and start writing a picture. Come on, parents, do assist the kid in writing the letter A, or else you can also help them in writing the letter A. So they can all start practicing drawing some pictures using the letters A and enjoy themselves by coloring the same. Shall we all? Are you all ready for the drawing and the activity now? Yes. Come on, kids. Write A first. Draw a small sleeping standing line and a standing line curve, sleeping lines, a small circle, and now try to draw a standing line and a curve, a standing line and a curve, a long curve, and again put it back, a long curve, and again put it back. Superb, kids. The butterfly is ready for you all. Using the letter A, now we have drawn a picture. Using the letter A. Colorful butterfly is ready for you all to fly ahead. Superb, kids. Come on, kids. Now, the uppercase alphabet is there for you all in the book. You all can take a paper and try writing the letter A, or mama or dada can help yourself to write the letter A. Try drawing some pictures using the letter A, as the letter is showing hi to you all. You all can draw some doodle art and post a picture. Superb! I know that you all would be getting ready for the activity. You all can try and enjoy coloring the same. And now, here it comes again back to recall our strokes that we have learnt yesterday. We have learned some basic strokes like standing line, sleeping line, and slanting lines. Using all three strokes, we can start practice writing A. The letter A. Yes. And today also, you can all have some activity regarding this writing. Shall we all get into the activity now? You all ready for the activity? Yes, kids. You all would be wondering what is this, right? Yes, it's a Rangoli powder which is there available at home. You can all place a tray so that it doesn't get spread. Ma'am, I've taken in a open place where my table doesn't get spoiled. I'll put it back. Yes, now you parents kindly help the kids in spreading them back. Yeah. Now I'm just placing a less amount of Rangoli powder to make some basic tracing strokes. Yes, that you have learnt yesterday. Yes, are you all getting practice of the same? Yes. Now ma'am is going to point my pointer finger and write. What is this? Yes, It's a standing line. Very good, children. It's a standing line. Shall we all try it a time one more? Come on, kids. What is this? It's a standing line. The line is standing. Very good, children. Now you all would have been learned tracing standing line. You can practice the same. While practicing using your pointer finger, it stipulates for your writing practices. So you all can start writing using your pencils very soon. And you can practice the same even in a paper. Standing line. Very good, children. Now we are going to practice the second stroke now. What is this, kids? It's a sleeping line. What is it? It's a sleeping line. The line is sleeping. It's a sleeping line. Yes, the horizontal lines are also called as the sleeping lines, which makes you all to write few letters like H, L, E, F. Yes, see, sleeping lines. Shall I can try one letter for you now? See, again I'm going to trace one standing line, which makes you all visible a letter, right? Yeah, I found some. Yes. See? The forward slanting line. The line is leaning forward. The line is leaning forward. The forward slanting line. The forward slanting line. It is called the slanting line. The line is towards right to left. So it's called as a forward slanting line. The line slants like forward, right? Very good, children. And the next stroke is backward slanting line. And the next stroke is the backward slanting line. Slanting line. Very good. Nice. Superb, children. It's called as a backward slanting line. And now a wonderful magic is going to happen. We have learned now 4 strokes, right? A forward slanting line and a backward slanting line and a sleeping line. Oh wow! That's the letter that we have learned today. What is that? The letter A. The letter A. What is the letter sounds? A. What is the letter sounds? A. The phonic sound of the letter A is A. Very good. Superb, kids. You all are rocking. A wonderful show. And now I'm going to show you all another basic stroke. Yeah? It's a curve. What is it? It's a curve. And a standing line makes wonderful. What letter is that? Makes A. What letter is that? A curve, gua, a standing line. It's letter A. It's a lowercase letter A. The phonic sound of the letter A is A. The phonic sound of the letter A is A. Very good, children. You all are doing a wonderful job. Yes. Yes, parents. Before getting into the direct writing practices, make your ward to do some fun activities like this so that they can also enjoy and motivated towards the learning process, and also it enrich the child's fine motor activity. It's called as a fine motor stimulator, so the child can indirectly stimulate it towards the writing practices. So they'll be writing using the pencil very easily as soon. So you can all try doing using a sand, salt or the rangoli powder or any grains or something, so that the child's fine motor start working. So you all can equip your child towards the writing process very easily, parents. Please support us and start doing these activities in any kind of form that you which has been available at home, using a salt, a sugar, you can place it in a plate or something, that so that the child can also do the activity very easily. Yes, kids, you can ask your mama and dada to make some grains or sugar or salt, so you can all practice tracing the letter A in that and post pics on the same. Take a picture caption of the along with the children and post it through WhatsApp, parents. And now this is the next method of starting the writing practice for your kids. Before initiating them towards the direct writing, parents, you can help your ward that you can write the letter sleeping line. It's A. What is this? It's A. Very good, children. Now you can expect your ward to hold the pencil with a grip and write it on the same. A slanting line, a slanting line, and a sleeping line. So overwriting makes the child confident that I'm writing good, correct. Very good, children. You all are doing a wonderful job. Slanting line, and a sleeping line. Yes, children. You all can also use some colorful crayon. A slanting line, and a sleeping line. Yes? Am I written good? Very good. You all can try using colorful crayon. A slanting line, and a sleeping line. That's so cool. Wonderful, kids. A slanting line, and a sleeping line. That makes the letter A. Yes. That's so nice. The same way, we can also train them to write a curve, go up, and a standing line. Yes? Come on, kids. So you can also practice the same. It's a lowercase a. What is it? It's a lowercase a. A curve, go up, standing line. A curve, go up, a standing line. Very good, children. That looks so nice. Yes. A standing line makes the letter A. Makes the letter A. Superb, kids. You all have done a wonderful job. Does it looks nice? Yes. It's an uppercase A and a lowercase a. Uppercase A and a lowercase a. The phonic sound of the letter A. And you all have started writing? Yes. Superb, kids. Keep practicing using colorful crayon or printing or painting that is available at home, or any grains that you can practice at home, a slate practice, anything that's okay. Yes, you all can start writing the letter A and post a video or a picture through WhatsApp. Yeah, stay connected with the online classes. Yes, kids, you all by this time would have been thorough with writing the letter A. Wonderful, kids. You all have started writing the letters now. Yes, superb, kids. Keep rocking along with that. Shall we all play a puzzle game now? I know that you all would have been jolly enjoying doing some puzzles. Now, ma'am is going to show you all some puzzle, and you all are going to find some images behind the puzzle shown. Come on, kids, we'll see the puzzle what it is. Come on, kids, shall we all? Let's get started with the activity now. You all are looking into a puzzle grid of 6. The first picture has turned. I don't see anything. Yeah, I see something. That's a little star. It's a little star in that picture. I can able to see some small fin in a yellow color, but I couldn't predict the picture what it would be. Oh, I can see some numbers like 0 and 6. Yes. Yes. Come on, kids. I have predicted what that would be the picture. I think I know what this is. It's an airplane. It's an airplane. The airplane starts with the letter A. The airplane starts with the letter A. It's gonna fly now. Started and ready to fly. Yay! Hats off, kids. You all have done a wonderful job and found the picture what it is. Good. That's so cool. It's the letter A. It's the letter. I can see something in green color. Can you all able to see that? Again in green. I think it's a green color animal. Yes, it looks like an animal. A green colored animal. Yeah, I can able to see the tail of the animal. The animal that has a tail and also green in color. Yeah, it has a sharp teeth. I think I have found the picture. Yes, it's an alligator. It's an alligator. 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 Alligator starts with the letter A. Alligator starts with the letter A. The alligator is also joining with you all to recite the phonic sound Ah. Superb, kids. Now comes the next picture. It's something different and green in color. I could only see some pictures in black as some strokes and something with smiles, Good at seeing you all from home? Yeah, that's looks something and four legs which has four legs. Okay, it could be an insect or a bird. Yeah, it's definitely an insect. I think I found the picture. Can you all guess what it is? Yes, it has legs and a sharp horns. It turns back. It's ant. What is it? It's ant. Ant starts with the letter A. Ant starts with the letter A. Can you all able to see the ant standing near the anthill and enjoy eating an almond? Ant eating almond in an anthill. Ant eating an almond in an anthill. Superb, kids. You all have found the puzzle for the day and enjoy. So do some activities and keep reciting the phonic sound of the letter and start practicing the letters A. I hope you'll all try writing the letters along with the pictures. Some pictures over like here. You can also practice reading some pictures that starts with A. We all can have a small recap of what that we have learned today. Come on, kids. Try to remember and recollect the activities that we were doing today. We were trying to draw something. Yes, a tracing. Good, children. A phonic sound. Very good. And some pictures along with the reading. So, the first thing that you all are going to do is start practice writing the uppercase A. Start writing the uppercase A along using the basic strokes that you have learned. So you all are going to practice writing the letter A using some crayon, pencils or the colors that you wish. The second one is the lowercase a. The second one is the lowercase a that you all are going to practice using some grains or salt or sugar or some rangoli powder that is available. Now you all can practice writing the lowercase a. You all can practice writing the lowercase a. And the third activity is all about reciting the phonic sound of the letter A. Reciting the phonic sound of the letter A. And the rhyme that we have learned. And so my arm. And so my arm. And so my arm that causing me alarm. The rhyme that you learned very first, right? You all can practice reciting the rhyme so that you'll be ease in reciting the phonic sound of the letter. You all can practice reciting the phonic sound along with the rhyme. Wonderful job. How does a boy shout when an ant bites? Ah! You all have done a wonderful job. So the star is for you. Very good, children. You all have done a great job. The star is for you. So keep posting your photos and videos through WhatsApp to ma'am, so you all get connected with us. Thank you, kids. Bye-bye. See you all on another video tomorrow. So keep doing all your activities by staying safe at home. Very good, children. See you. Bye bye.